Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's day 0 without an injury. Let's see how long we can last. Hey guys, so it is hot as anything in here. It is 18 degrees past death, but we're gonna get working today. So last week we finished off with this part. As you saw, we had a big hole here. So what I did is I took some of our other metal, cut little panels in here and just put them in, welded them in and grinded it down. Could use a little bit more grinding, but we're gonna come back here over here today. We're gonna cut this thing to size, put this thing in, maybe get our cab corner in, and maybe our rocker, and weld up this side. So we're done and ready to hit the others. So this is all welded in. It took a little bit of extra time. We need a lot more grinding in here, but we kept finding holes. So what we did is we took our light, which is right here, and we would shine it behind here, and we kept getting, you could see the light through it. So what you need to do is come back and hit those holes so you just don't have holes in your welds, and then we come back, we grind it a little more, and we keep finding them. So it's been a little bit of a treacherous path today of finding holes. It's not perfectly lined up. The panel is not perfect from LMC. It is a good panel, not saying that, but it isn't 100% accurate. Could be our cab, could be the panel. But one thing else that we found out is, like, when we had the bigger hole, like over here, a good thing to do is like build a pool and let the pool kind of drip down to connect the two spots. It's kind of what we did over here, and I'll show you a little bit in the corner right here. We had a little bit of a hole here, so I dripped it, and you just tap, and then let it dry for a second, tap again, and then like run a little bit of a bead almost down to get your hole and start building that up. But we have both that in, we have this in, so we're pretty much ready for the rocker, but we're gonna run out of time. We're not gonna be able to hit it this week because we want to talk about this is we only do like 3-4 hours of the day a lot of the times. That's why we have a little bit shorter of a video. We'd love to get you guys longer videos, but this is a side job. This is not our full-time. We'd love to make it full-time someday. So make sure you like this video so that we can see more people come to this channel so we can do this full-time to give you guys longer videos, and you guys can have a better time watching us make fools of ourselves sometimes when we put this stuff together. But we're gonna hit it next week. We're gonna put this rocker in, put the rear in, and hopefully get this side all tidied up and put together so we can start knocking out the other side.
Just gotta do it quick.